guys? It's me, Art. I know it's been 2 years and now I'm back. Ngayon, what I'm just gonna do is I'm trying to go to downtown. And travel right with me. So starting from this vlog, we're gonna discover a lot, right? And if you guys wanna come with me, we'll discover lots of things. And then with this vlog, purpose nito is basically to discover new things. And with this includes everything. So with this na babalik ako na naman on vlogging. And then it may take a while to do edits, and I hope na you guys will stay tuned sa mga vlog ko. I know it's a bit simple, quality is a bit simple, but I'll try to improve it and make it more better. So right now, just me, right? I'll just tour you guys around in what's Toronto, right? So things that maybe places that my favorite places to go. Not always, but yeah, but what is it like? Just to show you guys, right? So running environment of Toronto, and also here in Canada, like how's life here in Canada, right? Also now this time is winter, so you guys gonna see how people here in Toronto living in the winter time. And yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you guys a bit. Peace out, guys. So welcome back again. Dito naman tayo sa Yonge. Before tayo nagbili ako ng cocoa. So I bought cocoa for myself, right? Pang sugar for today kasi I'm not tired, but sometimes sugar is good for your body, right? For your energy. So, and dito tayo sa Yonge. It's really cold outside, if you guys can see. Like, grabe yung during snow. Look at that. Right. Yeah, I know. Gamit ko lang cellphone ko, guys. I'm broke. I'm so broke. Broke University. Gago! Joke lang. Alam mo na kung sino ka. Pero ayun. So, dito tayo ngayon. Oh my days. Brother, it's too cold outside. So yeah, so ito yung Yonge, guys. Right? Dito tayo sa parking lot. Look at that. Oh my days. It's very, you guys can see. Grabe yung snow, yo. Look at that. Okay. Wait, hold on. Bro, that's my shoelace. Hold on. So, yun nga lang. Oh, ginawa lang ng environment today. So yun nga, guys. So dito nga ngayon sa Yonge. So I'll show you guys kung gano yung mga ano yung winter dito sa Canada. So kita nyo yan. Like ganyan yung mga snow nila, ganyan. Diba? Like, look at this. Look at a pack of snow like here. You see that? So ganyan yung snow dito, guys. Hindi easy magka-snow. Alam ko sinasabi ng mga taga-Pilipinas, sabi nila like dream ko pumunta ng Canada, I wanna experience snow, stuff like that. At the very first time, magugustuhan nyo yung like may inspire kayo kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa social media maybe. Pero honestly lang, ang kasi dito I don't know about you guys, pero sa experience ko kasi is ayoko yung snow. Hindi ko fan yung snow dito. I've been here in Canada for like mag 8 years na. So, ayun. Kita nyo to. Yung mga snow sa Canada, guys. So ito, what I like about Yonge Street is street lights, basically. Para siyang downtown. Kasi sometimes gusto ko makapaglabas, ganun. Pero pag ako, like, let's say gusto ko magpahangin, ganun. Like ako kasi I'm a type of a person na parang gusto ko lumabas. Kahit ako lang mag-isa. Like it kind of like refresh my mind. Let's say pag nagsa-stress ako, ganun. Or like maraming nangyayari, ganun, like schools and you know, in general. Pero yun lang. So ngayon wala akong gloves. Pero kaya, sulit naman nata. Tignan mo naman, lumilipad pati yung buhok ko. Sorry guys. So, pero yung Yonge kasi is community dito sa Yonge, mostly mga Korean, Chinese stores. But ever since na pumunta ako ng Canada, dito talaga ako sa Yonge. Ang kagandahan ng talaga ng Yonge is yung environment, yung street lights is what I like about here. Ganun yung ng Yonge, guys. So as you can see, yung paligid ng Yonge. Alright, this is chat time. Sometimes dyan kami mga I remember dito kami nagtipon-tipon ng mga ka-friends ko before. So this is Yonge Streets. Ngayon wala masyadong tao. Because like time now is like lang. It's almost 12. Yan. Kita niyo yan, guys. That's like on my waist, di ba? Oh my day. See that? Tawa ko kasi. Dilim. Paano ba aking kere sa mukha ko? Aray! So yan. So, I'll see you guys in a bit. Ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung paligid. Hi guys. So basically, nakalimutan ko yung charger ko. Bro, not gonna lie, every time I go out, my phone is always dead. Like, teka lang guys, kasi honestly, palobat na ako. At parang kanina ko naglalakad. I was gonna show you guys like where's the library and everything, but maybe later on. So I'll see you guys maybe for a bit. Babalik muna ako sa car ko kasi palobat na ako and I forgot my sling bag. So I'll see you guys in a bit. And then just stay put.
A few moments later.
So what happened is I have to retreat back to car kasi nag-charge ako ng low bato, guys. So ito yung charger ko. Right. So what happened is habang lumalakad ako trying to show you guys the view ng streets, tawag si mother at sabi niya kung saan na ako, and then ayun, she said that sumama na lang sana siya kasi daw kumain, but hindi naman niya sinabi. Wala naman niya sinabi sa akin, man. Hindi, pero next time isama tayo si mama bukas, and then but today I'm just gonna make this brief. I guess magpa-park na lang ako mas malapit dun sa library. And then yeah, I'm just gonna tour you guys around while I'm driving. Tas ayun, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace out.
2,000 years later.
So, ngayon, dito ako ngayon sa ano, yung Civic Center, I guess. So, yun yung ano, skating ring. So, we're gonna go there. Travel ko lang kayo. So, dito kami nag-skate ng mga barkada ko. So, this is the spot. So, basically, pag wala akong magagawa, ganun. Like, sometimes I go here on my own. Or, pag i-invite ako, yan, dyan kami mag-skate. So, ito yung, most of the, talaga guys, dito mga tao nag-skate. Civic Center. Kasi nga, yung other skating ring is sa downtown pa. Which is like very far. But, ito yung skating ring. And doon, that building right there, you guys can see that one. Yan yung library. So since the library is a bit closer now, but I'm just gonna show you guys yung loob ng kasi part of it din is para siyang mall. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So yun na guys. So this is the library. As you can see, it's very nice. Ito yung bottom niya, basically. So ayan yung library. It's very nice library. So pag summer din, dito talaga ako. If like, let's say, gusto ko makapaglabas, but at the same time, like, gusto ko mag-review, ganun. Maybe in some of my vlogs upcoming, or maybe in the future, makikita nyo ako na nagre-review ako, and then I am in this lobby. So maybe in the future, yeah. But ngayon guys, I guess yeah, tapat nun there's like a Starbucks in there. So I don't know if you guys can see it, it's very far. But ito yung Yonge, basically. So sa ngayon parang close pa yung mga store. And hindi ko kayo ma-show kung like mga stores dito. Paano yung mga, pagkain nila na they are serving here in Yonge. And the most common store here is Daldongne, which is, it's a Korean grill barbecue. I don't know if it's a grill barbecue. I don't even know. But ito yung guys, yan, that is the Starbucks. So yeah, maybe in my next vlog, I'll show you guys the like some food here that I commonly go. Not commonly, but sometimes. But yeah, so I may have to end the vlog here. And I know it's very brief and wala masyadong interesting going on. Kasi guys, grabe, even my face, I can't feel my face anymore. And it's very windy. So I might have to end it here. And thank you guys for really going out tonight with me. And then I hope in the next upcoming vlog, there's gonna be more interesting stuff like we can discover. So yeah, thank you. And yeah, maybe there's nothing to add now. I don't know, di ko na talaga ma-feel yung kamay ko guys. And then I'm switching hands now, both. So ayun, thank you guys. And then I'll see you guys next time. And God bless, stay safe. And then just go out with me in this vlog, and then we'll discover new things together. But yeah, thank you guys, and Good night. Peace out.